Display replacement operation. Remove the screws and remove the pole. Remove the power supply wires one by one. Align and replace according to the interface of the screen. Connect the corresponding lines according to the colors in turn. After assembly is completed, connect the power supply and conduct the screen test. If the test is normal, install the screws again. Finally, install the wiring, put the pole back and tighten the screws.